Hi, my name's Dave Gibson. I'm 55. Kind of a back history. I tore my meniscus about 6 years ago and had a lot of damage done to it, and I lost all my cartilage in my knees. So basically, for past 6 years, I've had bone to bone. And then last year, I had a really bad accident and lost 2 of my toes. So I've been basically on the recliner for 18 months, and then when that finally healed up, I couldn't hardly walk. Stiff, swelling going on, couldn't walk on concrete, couldn't go shopping with my wife. But it was a pretty bad deal, and back 6 years ago when they fused those muscles back together, the doctor told me that you only got about 1 or 2 choices, and that's knee replacements or just injections. And I've had the injections done. They don't last. It just don't last. I think they lasted a little over a month. And with insurance, they're not going to let you have one every time you need it. So I had to do a DOT physical, and I come in here to Core Medical, and I was reading some of the literature, and the doctor came in, and he said, "This is right up our alley." And I'm like, wow. So I came back, and they did x-ray, and sure enough, it was bone to bone. And I'm in my 7th week. I've got about another week left over. And I'll tell you what, I'm about 65% better than what I was. I still have another week of therapy. And I'll tell you, it was one of the best things I've done. I have no complaints. Core Medical is an awesome group. There's just no doubts there. And the therapist, the girls in the back, and Danny and Nicole and Lindsay, you couldn't ask for better help. They're all 3 of them are top-notch therapists. And as far as that goes, the whole team is it's unbelievable. I'm really thrilled, and I think I'm going to get over this. Like I said, I got another week or so, and I'm just really thankful that I did this. It's well worth it. So, just do what they tell you to do. You got to wear the braces. You've got to keep your legs stretched out. Get your injections. It's all top notch. It's well worth it. I can finally get my life back. One of my passions is a Harley, and before I had this done, when I'm trying to get off of it, I couldn't even hardly get off of it. I couldn't bend my legs, and I had that 90-year-old man shuffle, and I've been out on it a couple of times since I started this, and I don't have that anymore. It's really paying off, and I'd recommend this to anybody. It's a lot better than having knee replacements done. There's a lot of mixed stories out on them, and frankly, I'm not ready. And I kind of got my life back again, so I can't wait till spring. Thank you.